And not just that, Ghaziabad police has solved a Drishyam-styled shocking murder mystery of a missing woman who was then found murdered by his wife and a jilted lover. Now this, remember, is a 46-year-old Ghaziabad local Chandraveer. He was murdered by his wife and lover Arun 4 years ago. So how did the case surface 4 years later? After shooting Chandraveer in the head, Arun dug a 6 feet deep pit in his own house under the pretext of building a toilet, a lavatory, and then buried the remains. Arun had even poured mortar over the pit to seal the body before chopping off Chandraveer's hands and disposing it off near a chemical factory so that he couldn't be identified. Special Crime Branch of the Ghaziabad police have now recovered the murder weapon pistol and the axe used to dig the pit and are preparing to send Savita and her lover Arun to prison.
प्रेम करते थे और हत्या का आइडिया कैसे आया कि तुमने खुदा घर में गड्ढा किया
दोनों की सलाह थी इसलिए।
लेकिन थोड़ा तो डर लगता है ना कि अपने घर में किसी की हत्या करके तुम शव गाड़ दोगे, अपने घर में गाड़े रखा।
पर बार बार नो ऐसा नहीं हुआ तो हमारे वो हो जाएगा, आँच आ जाएगी, इसलिए
आइडिया कहाँ से आया गड्ढा खोदने?
वो इसलिए आया था कि बाहर गिरते तो हम पकड़े जाते या कोई और नहीं कहता भाई किसी ने मार के गिर, इसलिए घर में करा। फिर लैट्रिन का गड्ढा गुजरा था उसमें।
अभी क्राइम ब्रांच को इसमें कुछ लीड्स थी जिनके आधार पर उन्होंने क्राइम ब्रांच ने इस केस को टेकअप किया और हमने इस पर काम किया। तो फिर ये केस वर्कआउट हुआ कि इसमें मृतक की पत्नी ने अपने पुरुष मित्र के साथ मिलके उसकी 4 साल पहले हत्या कर दी थी और उस पुरुष के घर में ही पति को, मृतक को 6 से 7 फीट का गड्ढा खोद के उसी में उन्होंने दफना दिया गया था। गड्ढे से स्मेल ना आए इसलिए उन्होंने काफी गहरा गड्ढा खोदा, कहीं बाहर किसी को पता ना पड़े। गड्ढे में उसको दफनाने के बाद थोड़े दिनों बाद पहले खड़ंजा बिछाया, उसके बाद उसको प्लास्टर भी करा दिया जिससे कि किसी को उस पर शक ना हो।
Shreya Chatterjee now joins me for the latest on that. Shreya, it's absolutely bizarre, the kind of people live around us, the kind of cases that take place, but this also took 4 years. So how did the investigators lead to this specific accused?
Well, clearly, Pooja, that it seems like there was, even after, when we talk about this Ghaziabad case, the case was closed. But obviously, later it is, there was an inkling that the police worked upon, especially the Ghaziabad crime branch, post which it was unearthed that this missing man was actually buried inside the same house of the lover of his wife. What we also right now understand that there are certain evidences the police have gathered, which includes the murder weapon and the weapon that was also used to chop off the body parts of the man and which was then simultaneously disposed of. Ghaziabad police is trying to gather more evidences because they will have to build a strong case against this man, because when we talk about other technical evidences, it would be difficult given it's a 4 years time span that is already gone ahead. So obviously it is a difficult case.